So this is the app that I created using Canva AI code. It's an interactive tool app for you to help you to launch your book. Okay. Even if you've already launched a book before, even if you have a team, because right here you can choose your author type if you're a self-published author or if you are a professional publishing team, you have a team together. So all you have to do right here, it says set your launch date above. You just come over here. Let's say we want to launch our book by July 1st. So I'm going to just select July 1st. And look, there's my whole timeline. Okay. Now, in order to get my AI prompts, I need to make sure I enter a book title, genre, and author name. Okay. Now, when I click on Generate AI Prompt, it comes up. Click Copy to Clipboard, use whatever AI LLM you want to use, and paste your prompt in there, and there you go. And you can check it off as you complete them. You can click here to go to any section you want to go to if you don't want to have all of the sections listed at once. And the other thing about it is if you want to add anything, you can just simply add a custom task to whatever category you want to add it to. Click how many days it needs before the launch it needs to be done and hit add task. Also, if some of these don't apply to you, you can easily just remove the ones you don't need. Now, if a due date is coming up or has passed, like this one right here, it says March 23rd, we should have had this done. So that is highlighted in red. This is highlighted in yellow, letting you know, hey, this is coming up soon. So that makes it easier for you to be like, hey, these are the ones I need to be getting done right now if they're not already done. So this also, you can print a report. And there you go. You can print it off if you need to have a hard copy of it. This is how I like to print it, y'all. I'll just go ahead and select all of this information that I want to print. I'll right click and hit print. And then that way I get a better looking copy. And there's my timeline. Bam. Now I don't have mine connected to a printer, so it just says save as PDF. But of course, if you're connected to a printer, you can just hit print and it prints out beautifully. All right, so go ahead and check it out. The link is below.